Where did Earth's water come from? This age-old question has puzzled scientists for generations. But now, a family of ancient asteroids might help us find the answer. Imagine a colossal explosion in space, scattering debris across the cosmos. This is how asteroid families are born. One such family, the Erigone family, has caught the attention of astronomers. Asteroid families are groups of space rocks that share similar orbits, originating from a single parent asteroid that shattered millions of years ago. The Erigone family, for instance, was formed around 130 million years ago. But what makes the Erigone family so special? These asteroids are water-rich and primitive, meaning they have remained chemically unchanged since the early days of our solar system. Planetary scientist Noemí Pinilla-Alonso and her Ph.D. student Brittany Harvison have been at the forefront of studying these ancient rocks. Through the Primitive Asteroid Spectroscopic Survey, or PRIMASS, they chronicled the chemical composition of these asteroids. Harvison's work involved studying infrared observations of the Erigone family, revealing their water-rich nature. This discovery is crucial for understanding the history of water in our solar system. There are theories suggesting that Earth's water may have come from primitive asteroids like those in the Erigone family. These space rocks could have transported water to Earth during the early days of the solar system. Exploring primitive asteroids today could help paint a picture of what was going on all those years ago. It's like peering into the secrets of the ancient solar system. By understanding these primitive asteroids, scientists hope to unravel the mystery of how water arrived on Earth, potentially shedding light on the origins of life itself. The secrets of our solar system are out there, waiting to be discovered, and with each new study, we get one step closer to understanding our cosmic past. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting updates on our journey through space. Thanks for watching.